Good afternoon. Next, we are going to present the final project of the Next Generation Network course, the topic of Smart Cities 5G. Well, for starts, we have the table of contents. The first topic is what is the smart city concept. Second, scenarios to analyze. Third, actors, resource, and roles. Fourth, business analysis, offer area, customer area, infrastructure area, and finance. 5. Trends and the future of telecommunication. 6. Conclusion. Okay, the first topic is what is the concept of smart cities? Smart city is a concept that began to emerge around 2 decades ago and was used initially mainly to describe a city that apply technological solutions to daily problems of the inhabitants through the intensive use of technology and information. Cities have become much more complex, and public agencies are facing increasing challenges to efficiently and inclusively serve the entry community. Cities are highly dependent on technologies for integrated management of transportation, energy, security, water resources, first aid, and supply chain systems, to name a few. A smart city solution seeks the effective coordination of all the systems, considering sustainable development of the city and the quality of life of its inhabitants as common criteria. This can only be achieved by joint efforts to optimize the use of available resources, water, gas, electricity, land use, to maximum the efficiency of existing infrastructure through the implementation of efficient management systems. The concept of smart cities is interdisciplinary in nature and presents a new way of managing the city with the help of advanced knowledge and technologies. The second topic is scenarios to analyze. Establish generic and specific multidimensional objectives for the development of smart cities. Two, second, analyze the local context and the independence of the factors that influence the development of smart cities. Third, design the conceptual management model adapt to local conditions to plan the development of smart cities. Fourth, select technological support tools for the implementation of the smart city conceptual model. Five, develop a program of activities and budget in the short, medium, and long term for the implementation of the smart city conceptual model with the support of technological tools. Sixth, implement a program of activities and collect information for the evaluation of the results. Seventh, provide feedback to the Smart City model based on the analysis of the results of the implementation of the program to periodically refine the technological support tools. Okay, the third is business model. The use of big data is becoming a common practice in organizations to improve their efficiency using strategies. They are the results of the analysis of the data collected in the order to complete, innovate, and capture value. Through this model and use of big data is possible to know in real time the use of resources to optimize the management of uh, consumption of energy. So optimize designs with learning about the performance of the infrastructure in service, predict behavior, risk situations, or alert users, supervise actions through virtually integrated platforms for traceability or monitoring of the response of the different management agents. The next is simulate proposals and evaluate operational management actions before implementing them. Uh, Provide a technical resource to record and retrieve information from reliable source. And finally, integrate more complex systems that are required for the development of management of a smart city. In summary, once the collected data is transformed into current information, it can be used to optimize infrastructure management systems and to optimize the different subsystems that are required for the integral development of smart cities. Infrastructure management is a combination of planning, design, construction, and service operation activities. In the infrastructure life cycle, there are different levels of management: strategic, macro network, project selection, and individual projects. In order to coordinate activities and efficiently integrate the different levels of management, it is necessary to have technological tools. A construction stage information model is a complete digital representation of an infrastructure project that includes information on dimensions, spatial relationships, geographic information, quantities, and property of building elements. Additional information about the infrastructure projects includes the time of execution, cost of labor, material, and equipment, simulating the entire process to optimize design and construction in virtual space. Additionally, all parties involved in the project, owner, designer, contractor, subcontractor, and supplier, can collaborate to build the project more accurately and cost effectively, reduce waste, and optimize efficiency throughout the project life cycle. Actor resource and roles. We must highlight the importance of understanding the aspects that define the multidimensional character of a smart city, as well as adapting them to the local context in order to select the appropriate technological tools to implement the management model efficiently. Next, the aspects that characterize a smart city and that are necessary to develop the conceptual model are described. Then it is explaining how the technology will be integrated to provide the necessary support for the implementation of the model, understood an essential component for the development of smart cities. Environmental aspects. These aspects highlight the importance of the responsibility that people have with our natural environment. This has led to a growing demand to transition to a carbon neutral power supply system that is replacing fossil fuels with wind, solar, and geothermal energy solutions that are more sustainable and more efficient in regards to our physical environment. Financial aspects. The globalization of the world economy and the rapid increase in quality demands on the standard of living in developing countries have influenced the rise of smart cities, while it is true that developed countries are constantly pushing the frontiers or innovation. They are hampered or constrained by outdated infrastructure system, higher wages, and more covered social systems. For example, insurance rates, retirement costs, political aspects. Socially empowered customers demand more transparency and accountability from municipal governments and no governmental organizations. Profound change in the political system should facilitate the implementation of advanced technologies and consider the economic, environmental, and social benefits. Social aspects. Political and technical change have led to significant change in our daily social life. One of these trends is seeking a balance between work and personal life. In an increasingly connected world, through mobile smartphones, computing based on virtual tools residing in the cloud, combined with a mobile workplace through teleworking, has allowed services to be performed anywhere, anytime, any moment. Finally, technical aspects. The rapid decrease in the cost of communications technology has led to the development of the internet, big data, and storage information in the cloud. As a result, millions of sensors interconnected by software and hardware connect the infrastructure with the users. For example, solar energy and control system integrated into buildings can be used, implement smart gear, power transmissions, and waster weather network systems, automated tools in transportation systems, and real-time route data for public transport. Okay, trends and the future of telecommunications. The digital interconnection of everyday objects will skyrocket as connectivity expands intelligence technology. Artificial and machine learning will also thrive. Intelligent automatization will help simplify operation. Edge computing will also gain more interest as business adapt to new ways of operating. DevOps will be necessary to get everything running efficiently. Conclusions. In conclusion, smart cities and 5G networks. The development of smart cities in this is interdisciplinary in nature and requires combination of knowledge and innovative technologies for economic and social development. The integration of technological networks and the physical environment is essential, and support tools are not sufficient by themselves for the development of a smart city. Smart cities must be able to innovate, reorganize, and adapt to dynamic conditions. Thank you.